Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss an update from E-Times TV.
Shahir, Hina, welcome to E-Times TV. So good to see you guys. और आप कैसे हैं बताइए?
थैंक यू बहुत. आप बताइए हिना जी, आप कैसे हैं?
बिल्कुल ठीक. आप कैसे हैं शहीर जी?
बढ़िया एकदम.
तो जो केमिस्ट्री इंस्टेंटली क्लिक हो गई और लोगों को भी उतना ही प्यार आया है आप लोगों पर. अब मैं जानना चाहूंगी कि आप दोनों इस केमिस्ट्री के पीछे जो दोनों इंसान हैं वो एक दूसरे को कितने अच्छी तरीके से जानते हैं. शहीर, व्हेन यू मेट हिना फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम और आपने पहला सीन उनके साथ शूट किया, व्हाट वाज योर रिएक्शन, आई मीन ऑफ हर एज एन एक्टर? जब आपने उनके साथ पहला सीन किया, आपने एज एन एक्टर उनके बारे में क्या सोचा?
मैं हमेशा कोशिश करता हूँ कि मैं किसी को बहुत जल्दी जज ना करूं. लेकिन after 2-3 scenes, after one day, I think next day, I told her as well that, I really like how aware you are about the scene. उनको पता होता है लाइट कहाँ है, उनको पता है कैमरा कहाँ है, और वो continuously she will also remind me कि शायद अभी ऐसा करना, अभी वो वहाँ पे तो फेसिंग इस तरफ रखना. And I was like, तुम थोड़ा रिलैक्स भी किया करो यार, कभी इतनी मेहनत क्यों कर रही हो? तो which is amazing. And वो she is so talented, so वो रिस्पेक्ट अंदर से आती है. अगर आपके सामने एक स्ट्रॉन्ग परफॉर्मर हो जो टैलेंटेड है, तो you also want to do better. मेरे लिए भी ऐसे ही वो मुझे भी हेल्प हुआ कि I was trying my best as well. I was trying to give it my all the time. But वो नेचुरल ऐसी.
And for you, Hina, आपने पहली चीज क्या नोटिस की शहीर में as an actor?
I think his as an actor.
Yeah.
अच्छा, I thought as a person you said.
As a person second होगा.
As an actor मुझे काफी comfortable feel हुआ इनके साथ, और मुझे I didn't have to push myself. We had some intimate scenes, some not really intimate, but whatever.
Yeah. Romantic.
So it I didn't have to push myself because when you work with a new person, it happens.
Yeah.
I kind of keep a watch on the person. कैसा है, क्या है. और मेरे लिए cleanliness, I'm a huge cleanliness freak. I'm talking about myself. तो मेरे लिए बहुत matter करता है कि मैं किसके साथ scene कर रही हूँ, and especially when it comes to romance and all. मैं इस चीज को लेकर फोकस्ड हूँ. So मतलब I look around, I see and all that. I've touchwood never faced it. All my co-actors have been great. Let me tell you this before anyone questions. But Shahir, I found out कि मैं बहुत comfortable हूँ इसके साथ. और as I mentioned कि हमको पता ही नहीं चला कि when we hit that right chord and we kind of connected with each other. और ऐसे हो रहा था कि I was telling him, oh, lift me na. Then he's telling me, you come on my back na. So it was like, are we friends like since 10 years? The way he's telling me, मेरे कंधे पे आ जा. I'm like, are you mad? Bloody, my back will break. What are you saying? So that was the kind of chemistry we had on the very first day, very first scene. You remember, Shahir? You asked me. So that's how it was, and it just happened. So I think as he made me comfortable, that I was comfortable with him. I would like to give him that credit too. I think similarly he also feels the same. So I think as actors, most importantly, when you work with a new co-actor, now fresh co-actor, what is important is how comfortable that actor is making you.
Yes.
परफॉर्म कितना कर रहा है, क्या कर रहा है, कितना कर रही है, कैसे कर रही है, is secondary. I may learn a few things from Shahir and he may learn a few things from me. But how comfortable that your co-actor is making you is the most important thing. And I think we gave that space and that comfort to each other. So yeah.
And as a person, आपने क्या पहली चीज नोटिस की शहीर हिना में?
She's a bully.
That you are, but जो चीज मैंने नोटिस की, मैं थोड़ा सा कम बोलता हूँ कभी-कभी. मतलब नई जगह पे जाऊं तो I take a little time to open up. But उनकी एनर्जी इतनी कंटेजियस है ना कि वो मतलब चलो करते हैं, चलो वहां जाते हैं, चलो डिनर पे बाहर जाते हैं. तो मतलब उनकी एनर्जी से मैं भी I also became a part of it. I also was jump around and do everything possible over there. तो हाँ, यही लगा कि खुश मिजाज हैं.
What, yeah, you broke
all
my
mother-
heart. I thought you'll say कितनी खूबसूरत लड़की है. उफ, मैं तो पिघल गया.
वो तो मतलब वो तो पता है ना, तो वो चीज वापस क्या बोलूं, है ना शहीद?
अब पहले बोलना चाहिए था यार, मैं फिर वही बोलता.
You broke my heart.
नहीं, खूबसूरत तो है, देखो.
Anyway, हाँ,
हाँ,
तो
और आपके लिए हिना?
I think for me as a person, I was supposed to answer this question first. What I liked about Shahir was his carefree nature. I remember, like, you know, I had my own, I mean, with all due respect, Shahir, I have to say this. जब हमारे पहले शूट में we were in Kashmir, and due to some reason his staff, the person could not come on time, and he was all alone that day. And how he managed, you know, he didn't have these tantrums and all ki are mujhe, you know, I cannot tell you, this was the size of the mirror. He was doing his hair and everything. I mean, I felt ki, oh my god, yaar, matlab, then I 2-3 baar to I was like, should I hold the mirror for you? Like, I mean,
you did offer.
I did that, right? Because I was like, yeah, I really liked his carefree attitude and his carefree nature towards that. हाँ ठीक है, नहीं है तो नहीं है, it's okay. I mean, it's not the end of the world. I can manage. So, you know, this is the skill which I would like to learn from him. And I am trying, but mera hai ek, whenever I travel and all, I need my people around and all that. This is how I am. जो है वो है. पर ये skill भी बहुत जरूरी है. So it really attracted me to him. It's such a nice way of looking at life and looking around your surroundings, that sometimes you may not have what you need, but you got to make peace with it.
Yeah. And Shahir, अब असलियत पे आते हैं. One thing that annoys you the most about Hina?
Tell me.
I wish there was like that. I'm a very straightforward person. मैं life में कुछ अंदर रखता ही नहीं हूँ. अगर if I don't like something about you, it'll be on my face. मैं उसको बहुत सारे लोगों को लगता है कि मैं rude हूँ, मैं बदतमीज हूँ. But मैं अपने अंदर क्यों रखूँ?
नहीं, he's not rude. Let me tell you this. Like I've spent time with him. He's not rude. We have had longest conversations.
कुछ लोगों के साथ हो सकता है. I mean,
but I'd like to clear the air, since I observe a person. I'm a very good observer, and whatever time I've spent with him, we've had endless conversation on this topic with Shahir, that how he is as a person, and he has certain reservations, which is not rude.
Yeah,
he's never rude, but that's how he is. But what did I say? That we have to accept people the way they are.
Yeah.
And even if somebody doesn't, it's their point of view. It's okay. I have no objection to that. मतलब किसी को अगर मेरा तरीका सही नहीं लग रहा है तो ठीक है, वो मेरा तरीका है. They don't really have.
हाँ, मुझे भी तुम्हारा तरीका सही नहीं लगता है. जवाब नहीं देते हो फोन का, कुछ नहीं करते हो. But I've made peace with it, yeah. अब ये ऐसा है तो है ना.
Rarely people say that, but आज दिल जीत लिया तुमने. ये बात है. You make peace with that. I mean, it's amazing. Such a beautiful thing.
Yeah, but what did I say? Is it important to converse with each other, even if you're friends, best of friends, or be in touch every day? I don't think that's how I work when it comes to relationships. I may not talk to you. I may accept the fact that you are how you are. But the day we meet, we are going to have a blast. We'll party.
Yes.
So that's what annoys you about Shahir, कि वो revert नहीं करते messages के, calls के, या कोई और बात भी है?
Call तो नहीं, इतना भाव नहीं देती मैं इसको. पर कभी-कभी हाँ, मैसेज में है थोड़ा, मतलब करेगा नहीं, पूछेगा नहीं. ये होता है ना कि ऐसा कि 4 दिन बाद 5 दिन बाद पूछे, हाय कैसी है, ठीक है, कुछ नहीं. गायब.
भेजा. How are you today?
You're messaging me.
गलतियां
This is
सुधारने
what he'll do in front of you, हाँ Vijay, I remember.
नहीं it'll
और
happen.
उसके बाद गायब. कुछ नहीं, कभी नहीं पूछेगा हाय हाउ आर यू, कैसा होता है ना, हाउ यू बीन, कैसा रहा तुम्हारा वीकेंड, हाउ आर यू, कुछ नहीं, गायब, घोस्ट.
गलतियां सुधारने का मौका मिलना चाहिए. अब मैंने कहा ना आज तुमने दिल जीत लिया मेरा, मतलब ऐसा किसी ने कहा ही नहीं मुझसे. So yeah, let me make up to you now.
और एक ऐसी आदत, एक ऐसी आदत हिना की जिस पर आपको प्यार आता है.
हिना की कोई ऐसी, हाँ ये बात मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगती है. वो अननोइंगली या नोइंगली आई डोंट नो, शी इंस्पायर्स पीपल. वो अगर कुछ उन्हें गलत लगता है ना, वो खड़े उठ के उसी वक्त कहेंगी कि ये गलत. अगर कोई कुछ अच्छा कर रहा है, वो उसी वक्त खड़े उठ के कहेंगे आप अच्छा कर रही हैं, आप अच्छा कर रहे हैं, विच इज अमेजिंग. मतलब वो इंसान के लिए वो 2 वर्ड्स तारीफ के बहुत मायने रखते हैं. ये मैं समझ सकता हूँ, बिकॉज आई हैव बीन इन सिचुएशंस वेयर आई वाज नॉट फीलिंग कॉन्फिडेंट, या मुझे मेरी पीठ किसी ने नहीं थपथपाई. उस वक्त अगर कोई उठ के आपकी पीठ थपथपाए 10 लोगों के सामने, it's a big confidence boost for you, and it helps you a lot, and she does that all the time. वो हमेशा, जहां पे भी मैंने देखा है उसको 10 लोगों के बीच में, वो हमेशा लोगों से बात करती है और उनका मॉरल बूस्ट करती है, उनको वो सपोर्ट देती है, which is amazing. अननोन लोगों के साथ she does that. That's what I'm saying, which is very rare. Not seen many people do that. So hats off to her. यार मतलब कितने लोगों की दुआएं मिलती होंगी उसे.
Thank you. दिल जीत गया आज तुमने. अभी तो मुझे 1 महीना जवाब मत देना, चलेगा.
So हिना, अब आप बताओ शहीर की कोई आदत जिस पे आपको प्यार आता है.
मेरे दिमाग में फितूर चल रहा है, लेट मी टेल यू.
कुछ तो ढूंढ के लेकर आ रही है खुराफाती.
नहीं, नो, मेरे अंदर से आवाज आ रही है, हिना zip it. Okay, what was your question? Sorry, मेरे thought ने मुझे distract कर दिया.
एक कोई आदत या हैबिट शहीर की जिस पे आपको प्यार आता है, या you adore about him.
I think he's ऐसा लोगों को लगता है कि वो expressive नहीं है. A lot of people say कि वो introvert है और socialize नहीं करता या expressive नहीं है. But I really like when we have a conversation, चाहे अच्छी बुरी, in any way, he would accept things and he would not say नहीं ऐसा नहीं है. He would say ऐसा है. And whatever he feels about a certain person, or probably if we are having a conversation, whatever he feels about me, he will tell me. So I like that quality about him, that he's very expressive. So yeah.
So guys, before ending, आज बहुत mushy moments हो गए, बहुत awe moments हो गए. Before ending, anything that
ये
you
इधर ही
guys
हो रहा
want
है.
to.
अभी मुझे 1 महीने बाद मैसेज करेगा ये.
1 महीने का लीवे दिया ना अभी.
हाँ, 2 मैसेज in front of you. I've not even read them. I'm going to slap you.
Thank you so much, Shahid. Thank you so much, Hina. Thank you and take care, guys. Bye bye.
Bye.